Hello there, this is my cooking guide for my turkey burgers. There we go, may look mushy but it tastes nice. 1 minute. Get a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Right, this teaspoon, you do a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of mixed herbs, a teaspoon of lime juice, and a quarter or half a teaspoon or a full teaspoon of chili powder, depending on your capabilities of spiciness. Right. So once you've done that, you put your turkey mince in, and then you put all your ingredients on top of the turkey mince. Then pull your hand under, fold it over and knead it down. Right, now I'm going to have a go. Right. Get your turkey mince, push it all together. You can probably see it here. Well, that's what I'm trying to show you anyway. So, put it all together. Do this until all the ingredients are in the turkey mince. Keep doing that, and then take it out of the bowl. And then split it into however many portions you are having. In my case, I've got 3. So push all the turkey mince together, put them in the bowl, just a normal bowl. And then keep doing that. I've got 3 now of these. Now throw them about like this. Make sure you don't drop them. Spin them round as you throw it, and then they should turn more spherical. So then you do that. Go away. I'm doing this.
Spherical?
Spherical. Circular.
Spherical's not a word.
What?
Spherical's not a word. Why is only 3?
Because Dad's not having any. Anyway, then flatten them. I've got it! I know, I heard. And turn them into things like that. Right, squares. Sorry about that, it's my sister. Keep flattening them. Last one. Oh, that one's a bit chubby. Bit bitty. And then get a frying pan. Now, get a frying pan and use the normal amount of olive oil, and then cook it on medium gas and leave it for about 15 minutes, near enough, or however long until they look cooked. Keep switching them over like you would normal burgers, and then I like these bread cakes. Here they are. Cheese and onion topped bread cakes. Just cut them up. Once they're cooked, put them inside, then add your own ingredients, make it nicer. So they're my uncooked burgers so far. I'll show you when they're cooked. That was Nathan's cooking guide to my speciality turkey burgers. Goodbye. Right, all you need is a teaspoon. No, that's tablespoon. Right, try again. A tablespoon of mixed herbs, a teaspoon of Jif, and you two are in an hurry, aren't they? I like these cheese and onion topped back.
Can you eat them?
And that's how nice they are. No, don't do that because it's raw meat and it can kill you. if you're a kid in need of your parents, what do you call it? It don't matter. But it is nice if you, if they had a cup of tea with their burgers because it goes down well. So make them a cup of tea. They don't really need a cup of tea with mine because it's nice anyway.
Hello, I'm Emily, and I'm doing the second part of Nathan's burgers. Put them in the pan.
Have you put olive oil in?
You don't need olive oil for these. If they burn, and pan goes in bin. Right, wipe your hands on the work surface.
Then clean
Press this button, and then turn it as far as what tickles your fancy. I'd advise not too high. Your parents won't be happy when they burnt roof. Then remember to make your mum and dad a cup of tea and put pepper on.
And there's your cup of tea.
Keep flipping them
Remember to keep flipping them.
with a fork.
With a fork.
Here we are, got the crafty devil. Hello!
Hello. And that's the end of Nathan's cooking, guys. And Emily's help on turkey burgers. Bye! And there they are. My superb, if I may say so myself, turkey burgers. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Turkey burgers. Look at that texture. Bet you want to make some now. Goodbye. And remember that good old tea goes down well. So that's good serving suggestion.
Ja.
No, yeah.